A group of police officers noticed a distressed duck. They heard sounds emanating from a sewer and realized her ducklings were trapped. Swiftly, they removed the drain cover and rescued each tiny duckling individually. However, the mother duck refused to depart. The officers revisited the drain, suspecting more. Another officer explored a second drain and unearthed an additional duckling. The final one was also discovered. Watching the officer reunite it with the mother brought immense joy. Let's appreciate these officers by giving a thumbs up.